Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this very simple and glowy look right here. So as we all know, the interview season is in the rage, and even if it's online or offline, you need to look presentable at all times for an interview. So I've created this look with very minimal products that I have, and it is very quick to do. So I promise you on that you won't take you more than 5 minutes to complete this look. I'm going to explain you each and every step throughout the video as I'm proceeding. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. As usual, I'm starting with skincare. I'm going to mist my skin first. So basically, the whole concept of doing skincare is that when it's a long day ahead, you need your skin to feel fresh and stay fresh for a longer period of time, and that is why I'm doing an extensive skincare before I start with my makeup. I'm using this oil-based serum so that my skin is moisturized for a really long period of time. If you're going out or if you're going to sit for a Zoom call, it is very important to have a sunscreen. So I'm going ahead with a sunscreen. This is the Neutrogena sunscreen. Good skincare is equals to healthy looking skin, and that is what I was aiming for. Again, massaging it lightly onto my skin. Moving in with a concealer, I'm not going to use any foundation or any kind of heavy base that is going to make my skin look and feel heavy. So I'm going with a concealer with a high coverage. So this is the Maybelline concealer. All the shades and everything will be mentioned down below, so don't forget to check the description box. Dotting it onto the areas that are dark on my skin, also the marks and spots on my face. This will solve the purpose of both highlighting as well as concealing. You need to blend all of this well so it sits well with your moisturizer and it does not look cakey throughout the day or the process of you sitting through an interview. Also, blending will make sure that your skin does not look cakey, so make sure to give that 1 extra minute for blending. I'm going to do my eyebrow. Unfortunately, I chose a wrong shade, but then make sure to choose a right shade for our eyebrows. This is the Maybelline eyebrow, and I have other shade of this, but then that day I chose the wrong one. I'm going to set my eyebrow with this Palladio setting gel. Powdering my face, I'm not going to do any kind of contour, just taking the yellow shade from this Wet n Wild powder duo, and I'm going to powder all the areas that I have concealed. Blush makes your skin feel and look pretty young, so don't miss out on that blush. I'm using this Absolute New York blush. I'm going to mix both of the blush and apply it. You can go as heavy as you want with the blush. Moving on to my eyes, as you can see, I've kept it really simple. I'm just going to outline it. So I'm taking the darker shade first and I'm going to apply it as a liner. Next up, with the lighter shade from the same palette, I'm going to smudge it in and take it a little bit into my crease. This just makes your eyes look bigger and open. I'm going to smudge my lower lash line with the same shades that I used on my crease. Usually I'm not a kajal person, but today I thought of going in with a kajal for all those kajal lovers out there. You can apply a very thin kajal if you don't want to go with liner. Moving on to mascara. Mascara is a must to look awake, so don't skip on that part. I'm using the Essence mascara over here. Coming to my lips, I'm first lining my lips with this Unique Style lip liner. Now this is an optional step. You can skip this step if you want, but I prefer to apply a lip liner. I'm taking this nude shade from Nykaa for my lipstick today. Nude is always the safest option, but then you can go with color if you're comfortable with it. I have chosen this nude shade for today. And that's it for the final look. I have opened my hair and have done very light curls as usual, and I'm loving how this has turned out. It's so simple yet so put together. So guys, this is the final look right here. It was very simple to create this look. And makeup, no makeup, I would like to give you one suggestion is that when you're going out there for an interview, make sure you stand straight, your shoulders are upright, your head is up, and you feel confident from within. And that's all you need to rock that interview. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye, take care.